Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you a fabulous AI tool. Suppose you have a business shop but you don't have a logo. You don't have enough money to hire a graphics designer, or you don't have the Canva subscription or anything which will help you to make a logo. So now I am going to show you about artificial intelligence tool which will make your logo by just writing one line. So for that you have to go to Google, then write here ideogram then search it. Whatever you need to do, go to this website ideogram.ai. Click on this website. So whenever you first enter to this website, you have to sign up. Firstly you need to sign up for this. You can sign up by Google, and then you have to select a username for you. So I have already done that, so I'm not going to show it you. Suppose I have a bookshop called Noble Nations. I'm gonna create a logo for my shop. So I have to write here is a logo for my bookshop named Noble Nations. Hit enter. Now they are generating the logo. You have to wait for 30 seconds. Here they are showing. As you can see, there it is. They are creating some fabulous logo for me. As you can see, these are the logos. So for example, if I open this one, I like this one. So if you want to download this, you have to click on the three dot and download. Okay, then open it. Here is it, the fantastic logo for my bookshop. So if you want to make another logo for your shop, so for example, I have a sports shop called logo for my sports shop named Sports Swift. Sport Swift. Now hit enter. Okay, you need to wait for 9 seconds. They're generating the logo for your sports shop. There it is. These are the logo. You can see it is already loading. Yeah, they are completed. The logo has been completed. Look at this one, the fantastic logo. You can use it for your sports shop. As you can see there, give some description as well for your logo. So for example, if you want to remove the background of this website, you can use this website called remove.bg. This website will help you to remove the background for your website, sorry, for your logo. It's 100% free. You all need to do to upload the image. For example, if I upload this one, downloads. Okay, they're removing the background from my logo. As you can see, the background has been removed. So if you want to select the height width for this image, you can use the vectorizer.ai. Vectorizer.ai. Vectorizer AI. All you need to do is to upload the photo. Here, as you can see, they're uploading, then processing, then fetch. There it is. So these are the vectorizer.ai. You can edit however you want to make your logo. So I hope this artificial intelligence tool will help you a lot for creating logos. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, share this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next videos.